We will be making this modular origami, and it needs 8 pieces of paper. Start with a paper 2 to 1 and fold along the long side. Now focus on the right side, do a diagonal fold up. Like this. And turn, flip over left to right, and this one fold like this. Now do a squash. And flip upside. This one have to fold up along this one. But when you fold up, lift, like imagine there is a hole here, so just push out a little bit, like this. Now this one, fold over, diagonal, and also leave a hole at the middle. There's a hole here. And finally this one, fold down. We want to make this part and this part very sharp. And you will notice it doesn't align here, but it's okay. Open up everything, and we want to make a base. It's almost like a triangular base. So flip this over and fold it back down like that. And finally this one just fold in. This one goes to the back. Next step is a curling action. And of course when I demo, it will be a left hand curl. I will curl in left direction. If you are right hand, you can choose to do a right hand curl. So you just flip this over and just curl in this direction. I'll be using a butter knife and just start curling like this. Once you did here, just go around and you can fold this to the back. Curl the whole thing. Now we want to make a cone. Just roll this up like that. Make sure everything is nice and flat. Roll into a cone like that. And use your finger to press on the cone. Once this is done, open up everything. Next step, we just want to curl in this direction, curl outward like that. And also on this. And this is the completed unit. We will assemble 8. To assemble, just put 2 of these together like that here. So it goes here, and the battle will be just goes like that. And if you inspect the back, just leave a little bit of gap, so it should come out a bit like that. Make sure you can see the crease line here. And once this is aligned, fold this part, fold up, and insert it in the pocket here like that. Goes in. This one as well, fold to the back, fold to the back, and insert it here. There should be a place. And I'll just keep on adding. This one goes here like that. And the petal go to the front. Make sure you inspect the back. And you can see the line here. We want to just maintain a hole in this one so that when the last piece goes in, it's easier. Again, repeat, fold and insert. Fold, insert here. This one as well, fold and insert here. It will be here. Keep on going. Put it like that, then flip this petal over. Inspect the back. Fold and insert. Fold and insert. This is 5 pieces. We have 3 more. Line and push this petal inward. Here. There is 2 more. Put here. Flip this over. Go to the back. Align it. And make sure that there is a gap here. Fold. Insert. Fold. Insert. For the last piece, go like that. And make sure this one, the first one, goes on top. Like that. And check at the back. Make sure everything aligns. Once it's aligned, just fold, insert, and we will fold this part first. Fold, insert, and finally these two to lock it. Fold, insert, fold, insert. We are done with this part. Next step will be to do the shaping. We want to twist this everything, twist together, hold it like that, and move the base. And this is just to give the flower the shape. And try to control this part. And when you release, it should give a very nice curl like that. And you also can do the more further curl on this petal, the petal here. You can also curl it up more. So just do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have one level, and the second level is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once this is done, do the final twist here. Twist as tight as possible while control the center. Press this part and release. We are done.